Let's begin lesson 39. Lesson 39 is on page 209. 頁頂有兩段去百貨公司買布嘅應用對話。Let's look at the first one. Listen.
I want to buy some material.
How heavy do you want it?
Not too heavy, something like this.
What color do you want?
Yellow or beige.
Here's some.
喺第二句嘅 want 嗰個字後面呢，我哋加上個 it, it. Listen again. I'll explain in Chinese.
I want to buy some material.
我想買啲布料啊。
How heavy do you want it?
你要幾厚呢？
Not too heavy, something like this.
唔使太厚啊，好似呢啲咁啦。
What color do you want?
你要乜嘢顏色啊？
Yellow or beige.
黃色或者灰棕色啦。
Here's some.
呢啲就係啦。Listen and repeat.
I want to buy some material.
How heavy do you want it?
Not too heavy. Something like this.
What color do you want?
Yellow or beige.
Here's some.
Good. Let's look at the second one. Listen.
How much is this material?
It's only $1.29 a yard. How much do you want?
How wide is it?
About 45 inches.
I'll take 3 yards.
Listen again. I'll explain in Chinese.
How much is this material?
呢種布料幾多錢啊？
It's only $1.29 a yard. How much do you want?
只係1個2毫9一碼。你要幾多呢？
How wide is it?
有幾闊啊？
About 45 inches.
大約45寸啦。
I'll take 3 yards.
我就買3碼啦。Listen and repeat.
How much is this material?
It's only $1.29 a yard. How much do you want?
How wide is it?
About 45 inches.
I'll take 3 yards.
Now, let's practice pronunciation. 你要邊種女裝恤衫呢？
What kind of blouse do you want? What kind of blouse do you want?
我要嗰件咁樣㗎。
I want one like that one. I want one like that one.
嗰塊布料幾闊啊？
How wide is that material? How wide is that material?
大約45寸啊。
About 45 inches. About 45 inches.
嗰幅幾長啊？
How long is that one? How long is that one?
2個9毫半一碼。
It's $2.95 a yard. It's $2.95 a yard.
係10英尺長，12英尺闊。
It's 10 by 12. It's 10 by 12.
今日我哋去買啲嘢啦。
Let's go shopping today. Let's go shopping today.
Turn to page 210. 喺呢度，我哋嚟睇下點樣量度啲嘢啦。頁頂呢幅圖係講1碼 1 yard 等於3尺 3 feet。本來尺係 foot， 1尺就係 1 foot。2尺或者2尺以上嘅時候呢，就要講成 feet F-E-E-T。好似2 feet 3 feet。1尺係等於12寸 1 foot equals 12 inches。1 yard 係等於 36 inches。呢啲 inch、foot、yard 都係常用到嘅量度單位。好，下面有幾個問題，你試下答啦。你開始之前，請先跟住我哋嚟讀一讀呢3個單位嘅名稱啦。碼、
yard, yard,
尺、
foot, foot,
多數呢係
feet, feet,
寸、
inch, inch,
多數係
inches, inches.
We'll give one example and then it's your turn. Number 1.
How many inches are there in a foot?
意思係一尺裏面有幾多寸呢？
There are 12 inches in a foot. There are 12 inches in a foot.
Let's continue. Number 2.
How many inches are there in a yard?
There are 36 inches in a yard. There are 36 inches in a yard.
Number 3.
How many feet are there in a yard?
There are 3 feet in a yard. There are 3 feet in a yard.
Number 4.
How many feet are there in 2 yards?
There are 6 feet in 2 yards. There are 6 feet in 2 yards.
Number 5.
How many inches are there in 2 feet?
There are 24 inches in 2 feet. There are 24 inches in 2 feet.
Number 6.
How many inches are there in 3 feet?
There are 36 inches in 3 feet. There are 36 inches in 3 feet.
喺英文字裏面，講到長闊嘅時候，可以用 by 呢個字嚟講出一件物件嘅尺寸，好似10乘6中間嘅乘號就可以講成 by 10 by 6。一個數字係表示長度，另外一個數字係表示闊度。長係
Long, long,
闊就係
wide, wide.
呢度嘅圖係一間房嘅長度同闊度。如果人哋問呢間房幾大啊？
How big is the room?
你可以答10尺闊、12尺長。
It's 10 feet wide by 12 feet long.
或者簡單啲講，
It's 10 by 12.
下面我哋嚟做一個練習啦。呢度有10幅圖，都係啲房間、書、窗門、台同地氈嘅長度同闊度。我哋會問你呢啲物件嘅尺寸，請你用英文嚟講出答案。Let's begin from left to right. Number 1.
How big is the rug?
The rug is 6 feet wide by 15 feet long. It's 6 by 15.
Number 2.
How big is the window?
The window is 5 feet wide by 7.5 feet long. It's 5 by 7.5.
Number 3.
How big is the room?
The room is 20 feet wide by 24 feet long. It's 20 by 24.
Number 4.
How big is the table?
The table is 4 feet long by 3 feet wide. It's 4 by 3.
Number 5.
How big is the window?
The window is 3 feet wide by 7 feet long. It's 3 by 7.
Number 6.
How big is the room?
The room is 24 feet wide by 27 feet long. It's 24 by 27.
Number 7.
How big is the table?
The table is 3.5 feet wide by 6 feet long. It's 3.5 by 6.
Number 8.
How big is the rug?
The rug is 8 feet wide by 9 feet long. It's 8 by 9.
Number 9.
How big is the biology book?
The book is 10 inches wide by 14 inches long and 3 inches thick. It's 10 by 14 and 3 inches thick.
Number 10.
How big is the cookbook?
The cookbook is 9 inches wide by 12 inches long and 1 inch thick. It's 9 by 12 and an inch thick.
最後嗰兩個圖，一個係本生物學嘅書，另外一本係烹飪嘅書。呢兩本書除咗長闊之外，仲有厚度。英文嘅厚字係
Thick, thick.
thick, T-H-I-C-K, thick. Now look at page 211. 首先請跟住我哋將頁頂嗰兩個字讀一讀啦。日 每日
per,
同 per 嘅意思呢係差唔多嘅，但係平時我哋講幾多錢一碼、幾多錢一打、幾多錢一磅，多數係用你可以睇到頁頂上有一個方格，裡面寫住3個9毫半，然後一條斜線，跟住又寫住 yard， 意思就係講$3.95 per yard， 每碼係3個9毫半，但係正式講出嚟嘅時候呢，就要講成
It's $3.95 a yard.
重複
It's $3.95 a yard.
Let's do a drill here. There are 12 pictures. We are going to ask you,
How much is it?
or
How much are they?
請你依住圖上面標明嘅價錢嚟答我哋啦。We'll give one example.
How much is it?
It's $6.79 a yard.
Now it's your turn. 請你先睇左手面嘅圖，然後再睇右手面嘅圖啦。Number 1.
How much are they?
They're 34 cents a dozen.
Number 2.
How much is it?
It's 30 cents a pint.
Number 3.
How much is it?
It's 72 cents a half gallon.
Number 4.
How much is it?
It's 48 cents a foot.
Number 5.
How much are they?
They're 15 cents a bunch.
Number 6.
How much is it?
It's 34 cents a gallon.
Number 7.
How much is it?
It's $2.90 a gallon.
Number 8.
How much are they?
They're $1.25 a yard.
Number 9.
How much are they?
They're 29 cents a pound.
Number 10.
How much is it?
It's 25 cents a quart.
Number 11.
How much are they?
They're 49 cents a basket.
Number 12.
How much is it?
It's 15 cents a foot.
書上面呢啲價錢已經過時啦，而家呢啲物件嘅價錢都起咗，冇以前咁平㗎啦。Please turn to page 212。我哋要學啲新嘅形容詞，同時請你哋溫習下以前學過嘅形容詞。你可以先跟住我哋將呢頁嗰啲圖之中嘅相反形容詞讀一次啦。長、短、
Long,
Short,
大、細、
big,
little,
窄、闊、
narrow,
wide,
重、輕、
heavy,
light,
平、貴、
cheap,
expensive,
厚、薄、
thick,
thin,
新鮮、腐爛。
fresh.
rotten.
Let's do the drill。請你睇住下面個圖，用圖上面寫住嘅形容詞嚟形容圖上面嘅嘢啦。同時試下練習用 one 或者 once 嚟代替已經講過嘅嘢啦。We'll give one example. Number 1.
These are long pants and those are short ones.
你可能覺得奇怪，圖上面係一條短褲同一條長褲，點解用多數嚟講呢？因為喺英文裏面講褲 pants 嘅時候呢，係要用多數嘅，因為有兩隻褲腳嘅關係。呢啲係英文嘅特別講法。請你而家自己繼續做落去啦。以後每句我哋只讀一次。Number 2.
These are big oranges and those are little ones.
Number 3.
This is a narrow tie, and that's a wide one.
Number 4.
These are heavy socks, and those are light ones.
Number 5.
This is a cheap camera and that's an expensive one.
Number 6.
This is a thick book and that's a thin one.
Number 7.
These are fresh vegetables, and those are rotten ones.
Number 8.
This is a narrow belt, and that is a wide one.
Number 9.
This is a heavy sweater and that's a light one.
Number 10.
This is a fresh chicken and that's a frozen one.
Look at page 213。我哋嚟學下點樣問人哋某一樣嘢幾大、幾長或者幾闊。你可以睇下書上面嘅舉例。呢條皮帶幾長啊？就係
How long is the belt?
呢件嘢幾大啊？就係
How big is this?
呢啲影相機幾貴啊？就係
How expensive are these cameras?
跟住我哋嚟做一個練習啦，要你自己試下咁樣問。下面有12幅圖，圖下面有一個形容詞同一個名詞。請你用呢兩個字嚟做一個問句，用 how 呢個字開頭。We'll give one example。我哋做一個示範先。
Wide. River.
How wide is the river?
Let's begin. Number 1.
Big. cake.
How big is the cake?
Number 2.
Narrow, tie.
How narrow is the tie?
Number 3.
Old, baby.
How old is the baby?
Number 4.
Wide, material.
How wide is the material?
Number 5.
Wide, street.
How wide is the street?
Number 6.
Short, skirt.
How short is the skirt?
Number 7.
Heavy, sweater.
How heavy is the sweater?
Number 8.
Tall, boy.
How tall is the boy?
Number 9.
Light, socks.
How light are the socks?
Number 10.
Long, pants.
How long are the pants?
Number 11.
Cheap, shoes.
How cheap are the shoes?
Number 12.
Thick, telephone book.
How thick is the telephone book?
Turn to page 214. 我哋嚟學下點樣答頭先練習過嘅問題啦。請睇下書上面嘅舉例。如果人哋問幾長啊？
How long is it?
如果係6寸長，你可以咁樣答。
It's 6 inches long.
再聽一次啊。
It's 6 inches long.
如果人哋問幾闊啊？
How wide is it?
如果係45寸闊，
It's 45 inches wide. It's 45 inches wide.
跟住我哋嚟做一個練習啦。練習答呢一類嘅問題。下面有10幅圖，每幅圖旁邊有一個問題。我哋會問你呢個問題，請你依住圖嚟答啦。我哋先舉個例。Number 1.
How wide is the river?
It's 15 feet wide.
Let's begin. 請你先做左手邊嘅啦。數目嘅右上角有一點，係表示尺 foot 嘅意思。兩點呢係表示寸 inch。Number 2.
How tall is the boy?
He's 5 feet 8 inches tall.
Number 3.
How thick is the phone book?
It's 3 inches thick.
Number 4.
How wide is the tie?
It's 2.5 inches wide.
Number 5.
How expensive is that camera?
It's $45.
Number 6.
How wide is the street?
It's 20 feet wide.
Number 7.
How long are the pants?
They're 34 inches long.
Number 8.
How long is the skirt?
It's 17 inches long.
Number 9.
How wide is the material?
It's 36 inches wide.
Number 10.
How tall is the tree?
It's 50 feet tall.
如果你唔清楚究竟係幾長幾闊，你可以用大概，即係 about 呢個字嚟講。例如人哋問你
How tall is the tree?
你唔係好肯定，咁你可以答。
It's about 60 feet.
簡單啲可以話，
About 60 feet.
你亦都可以用手勢嚟表示。例如人哋問你
How wide is the material?
你可以用手勢嚟 比劃一下，同時話
It's about this wide.
Now let's look at page 215。我哋而家嚟學下 like 呢個字嘅另外一個意思同用法啦。以前我哋學過 like 嘅意思係鍾意或者喜歡，好似我鍾意飲茶。
I like tea.
除咗呢個意思之外 like 有另外一個意思，就係好似。例如呢張椅好似嗰張。
This chair is like that one.
再舉個例，我要一件短外套，好似 John 嗰件一樣嘅。
I want a jacket like John's.
而家我哋做練習啦。呢度有10幅圖，請你依住圖用 like 好似嚟造句啦。We'll give one example。 圖上面有兩架單車係一樣嘅，咁你可以做成一句話。
This bicycle is like that one.
Let's begin the drill. We'll only do 5 pictures. Number 1.
This dog is like that one.
Number 2.
This lamp is like that one.
Number 3.
This coat is like that one.
Number 4.
This dress is like that one.
Number 5.
This pen is like that one.
而家我哋嚟練習另一種用法。下面有5幅圖，每幅圖都係表示一個人想要啲好似另外一個人所有嘅嘢。你就將圖裡面嘅情形用 like 呢個字嚟造句講出嚟啦。We'll give one example.
I want a bicycle like John's.
Let's begin. 當你自己係圖之中嘅一個人，想要啲好似另外一個人所有嘅嘢，就當其他人係 Jack、Bob、Gary、Alan 同 Henry 啊。Number 1.
I want a car like Jack's.
Number 2.
I want a jacket like Bob's.
而家我哋試下用 he 或者 she 開頭啦。Number 3.
He wants a radio like Gary's.
Number 4.
He wants a tie like Alan's.
Number 5.
She wants a stereo like Henry's.
Stereo 意思係新力聲電唱機。Now turn to page 216. Let's read the vocabulary words.
Shop. Shopping. Curtains. Drapes. Wide.
Narrow.
Thin.
Thick.
Heavy.
Light.
Little. Small.
Like this, like that. Material, belt, inch,
Inches.
foot,
Feet.
yard,
Yards.
a quarter, a third, a half,
Per. About. 20 by 30. 20 by 30. Yellow. Beige.
Let's practice some useful phrases.
It's 95 cents a yard. How wide is that material?
About 45 inches.
I want one like that one.
Something like this.
That's all for lesson 39.